Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to send group text messages on Android phone. Sending the same messages, information, dates, reminders, or events can be easily using the group message feature. And here are the easy steps to send group text messages on your mobile device. First, unlock your mobile phone, open the Messages app like Google Messages or your default SMS app. Tap the new message or the plus icon. In the to field, start typing the first contact's name or number. Choose the contact from the list, then once on their messages section, tap on the add people icon in the top right. Add another contact by typing their name or number. Repeat until all recipients are added, and make sure multiple contacts appear in the recipient field. Then provide the name of the group, and once done, tap the Done option. Then tap the message text box. Now type your group message or tap the plus or attachment icon to add media, links, or any documents. Tap the send button and wait for a message to send to all recipients. Check replies. Responses may appear in the same group thread or as an individual text, depending on your settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.